right there, everybody.
I think this is the Cardinal Mizomela.
Yeah. My name is Vicky.
How are you doing? Hello.
Yeah, that's wonderful, isn't it? This is what makes it so special. Practical. Edwin. Yes. Nice to meet you. Very smooth.
It's just some of the folks come to watch us. They're just as interested in
Yeah, that's
us.
what I'm saying. They're watching us.
Yeah, as we are in them. Hello. How are you? How's everybody doing there? Good, good, good. Hey, you know, I got my stuff on there, see? You're good. All right. Quite sturdy there. A weaving, a slit.
Not happy.
There it goes. Sago palm sewing. They even have a sign here so you know what it is here. Okay, very nice. They got this set up very well.
They really have it set up.
Yeah, yeah. I know they're a super clean village too.
That's the first thing I noticed. Everything is organized.
Yeah.
It's almost modern.
Yeah. Change the battery.
Very organized. What a nice setup. Showing everything.
They got mat weaving here. Oh, that's how you do the mats on the floor that it dries out. I got the fish in there.
Yes, swimming in a
This one has more fish here than underneath here.
This is breadfruit.
Breadfruit. Okay, okay.
We make alginambo from it. We dry it on
Dry. Okay. And then snack on it later.
And after
Okay.
we put it in a basket of fish.
Okay.
That's a basket of naan.
Very good. Very good. Well, if you ever wanted to see breadfruit, this is the green ones here, and there's one drying out over there, and then they chop it up and put it up here and dry it out there. Then they take it and put it in the baskets to preserve it, like is in this basket here. Then they can eat it later. Okay, I think I got it now. These are baskets that they're weaving here, and this is what the finished product looks like here. And you can carry a lot of different things in it. So everything made from all of the stuff. This is basket weaving. More baskets here. Here's the basket that they have. They're weaving here. Oh, that's nice one here. It's like color. Oh, it's almost the same as this here too. Nice on the side. this is the only visit that they've had, the first ones here, so make a good impression maybe. This is hats here. Oh, fun weaving. That's what I like. Fun weaving. Good stuff. We got some fans here. And those. Some more baskets here. Hats too they have here. And everything. How are you? Hello.
She's not sure about you.
Here we got a big building here. And more stuff down at the bottom. Kids are down there. It's going to wave to me there and everything maybe. So I don't know. Maybe not. So, and I'm dressed up here. I got my things on the side here, as you can see. So I'm ready for any dances that they have here. And the people are getting a good kick out of it that I'm walking around like this, but that's okay. All right. Come down here. All right, folks. How you doing there? Christmas decorations and everything.